Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating KitchenAid oven error code F2E6 in 2025, you're in the right place. This error typically indicates an issue with the oven's temperature sensor, which can disrupt your cooking routine. Don't worry. I'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step fix that you can do at home. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your oven or turn off the circuit breaker before starting any repairs to avoid electrical hazards. Got that? Great, let's dive in. Step 1. Perform a basic reset. Unplug your oven from the wall outlet and leave it for at least 5 minutes. This can clear temporary glitches and might resolve the error right away. Plug it back in and check if the code has disappeared. If it persists, move on to step 2. Now, locate the temperature sensor. It's usually at the back of the oven cavity. You'll need to remove the oven racks for easy access. Gently pull out the sensor and inspect it for any visible damage, like burns or loose wires. If it looks dirty, clean it with a soft cloth and some mild soapy water. Be sure to dry it thoroughly before reinstalling. Step 3. Reconnect and test. Securely plug the sensor back in and reassemble everything. Turn on the oven and see if the error code is gone. If you're still seeing F2E6, it might be time for a replacement. You can order a new sensor online or from a KitchenAid parts dealer. Make sure it matches your model. While you're at it, check your oven's user manual for specific instructions tailored to your unit. In most cases, this should fix the problem, but if you're uncomfortable with any steps or the issue continues, call a certified technician to avoid further damage. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning your oven can prevent these errors in the future. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. See you next time.